Hi, I'm Tom, a professional barista, and I'm here at AO to talk about which coffee pods are right for your machine. Pod machines are a fantastic way of getting into coffee. They're so easy to use and they are so consistent with the coffee they make. But there's a few important things we need to understand about them to get the best use of them. Understanding coffee pod compatibility is really important. Different pods have different mechanisms and different formats for brewing, and these result in different flavours and aromas that come out. It's really important to get the right pod for your machine. The main brands you'll come across will be Nespresso, Tassimo, but this one has two, and Dolce Gusto. But there are more out there, so it's really important to check your machine and with your manufacturer which type of pod is appropriate. Most of the time, when you buy your machine brand new, it comes with a small selection anyway, so it gives you an idea as to which type of pod you need. Exploring the coffee pod range. There is an abundance of choice out there. Everything from darker roasts, lighter roasts. You can get pods that make an entire drink. You get pods that make just the espresso. You can add caramels, you can add chocolates. You do get pods that don't even make coffee. They make other drinks too, hot chocolates or sometimes tea. There are many, many options out there, and it's just about finding what's right for you. Now, let's talk about sustainability with coffee pods. Companies these days are making great strides in the sustainability of these machines. There are many eco-friendly options out there. There's recyclable options, compostable options. Some brands are even offering return schemes and recycling schemes. Sustainable pods can actually sometimes enhance flavour, and they support ethical supply chains. There are even reusable capsules, which are a great eco-conscious alternative. Now, how to really get the most out of your coffee experience? Well, there are a lot of accessories out there that you can add onto your machine, such as this milk frother on this one here. Other options would be to really experiment with all the different options of pod out there accessible to your machine. Different roasts, different blends, different flavourings. You could even go away from coffee and you can get pods that make you a hot chocolate too. It's all about finding what you personally enjoy. Alongside trying different pods, you could try using the different settings on your machine with those pods. You'd be surprised how much pressing a different button can alter the flavour of that one pod. Now, let's talk about food pairings. Generally speaking, a darker roast accompanies really well with something sweet. A lighter roast can go really beautiful with a savoury food item. And whatever you do, it's about finding the flavours that you love and that you enjoy. So get out there and get experimenting with all the different pods available.